Till now you must have generated only images, audio, sound effects, or AI voices using AI, but my friends, time has changed now. In this video, you will create a complete AI music video which we will upload by creating a new faceless channel. But first, listen to my AI generated song.
Your smile lights up the room like sunshine breaking through the gloom. When I'm with you, my heart takes flight, soaring higher with pure delight.
To create such songs, we will use Udio.com. Will there be any copyright issue by uploading songs created by this on YouTube? Udio.com itself has answered this question that yes, you can upload. There will be no copyright issue. So without any delay, let's get started, and I would like to tell you that right now Udio.com is completely free. To use it, we sign in. This time we will create an English song. For this we will have to write a prompt, which you can write here, but if you don't want to write, then click on this dice icon, which will generate a random prompt. This time we select alternative rocks in the text, and then we click on create.
A few minutes later.
Let's play our song.
In the heart of the crowded streets.
After this, friends, I generated a song by writing the lyrics myself, with AI. You can also extend it by clicking on extend, which will also increase the length of your song. I extended my song to 2 minutes. If you want to listen to the full song, you can listen to it in the link description. Generating videos for songs. After this, I generated some videos for my AI songs using Leonardo.ai and Pika Labs. To generate AI video on Leonardo, you simply have to generate images, then click on generate motion video below the image. And your motion video will be ready like this. In the same way, you have to create multiple videos. Then you have to edit your song in this way on any video editing software or app. After editing and exporting the video, now let's create a channel and upload it. For that, we come to YouTube. Then we will click on create. And then with the help of Claude AI, I decided that I will name my channel as Melody Vision. Now we will create a nice logo for our channel using Leonardo.ai. By the way, tell us by commenting how you like this logo. After uploading our logo, we will click on create. After this, you will also need a description of your channel as I have written. You can also write it in the same way using AI. Now we will upload a channel banner, and finally we will click on publish. After this, there are some very important settings that you will have to apply on your channel. For example, we select entertainment as the channel category. In the country of origin, you will write your original country from where you belong. The video language will be English USA, and the title will also be English USA. After this, you have to write the tags related to your category in the tags section of your channel. Something like this. Then friends, now the wait is over. Hit the upload button and let's upload. First video. Our title will be Endless Dream, a beautiful song. We will write the same title in the description as well. I will upload this image in thumbnail, then show more. Is this alternate content? No, in tags, we will paste some related tags and searches, then next public, after that publish. Congratulations friends, your first faceless channel video has been uploaded. And if you find this video informative, then like and comment. And definitely subscribe to the channel.